Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most prolonged economic downturns in history, the Long Depression, which lasted from 1873 to 1896. The Long Depression was a worldwide price and economic recession, though its severity varied in different countries and regions. To understand the Long Depression, let's begin with the initial crash in 1873. Triggered by a railway boom in the US and the Colossus Vienna Stock Exchange crash, which led to bank failures and a drop in credit availability. The Panic of 1873 marked the beginning of this long-lasting turmoil. The Panic of 1873, caused by overspeculation, especially in railroads, led to a chain reaction of bank failures across the US and Europe. Let's visualize the economic contraction. From 1873 to 1879, the United States experienced deflation, with prices dropping by roughly 30%. This profound deflation had deeper economic implications, affecting wages and savings. In Europe, particularly Germany and Austria-Hungary, the impact was also severe. The crash decimated industries that had banked on rapid expansion fueled by credit. One significant factor exacerbating the depression was the widespread adoption of the gold standard. The more rigid monetary system limited the flexibility of national economies to adapt to economic shocks. Let's examine key agricultural and industrial production data to understand better how these sectors fared during the Depression. Question: how did the deflationary pressures influence the agricultural sector during the Long Depression? Answer: the deflationary pressures significantly reduced agricultural product prices, which slashed farmers' income and led to widespread farm foreclosures. Especially in the U.S. Midwest, industries faced shrinkage, with railroads experiencing notable bankruptcies. This industrial disruption reduced employment opportunities and wages. Question: in what ways did industrial contraction impact the labor force during the Long Depression? Answer: industrial contraction led to widespread unemployment, reduced wages, and harsh working conditions, fueling labor discontent and strikes. Examining Europe, the Long Depression's effects reached trade policies. Many countries adopted protectionist policies, increasing tariffs to protect domestic industries from foreign competition. Despite these challenges, significant infrastructure projects continued. The completion of iconic structures like the Brooklyn Bridge symbolizes resilience amid economic adversity. Question: how did infrastructure projects like the Brooklyn Bridge influence the U.S. economy during the Depression? Answer: infrastructure projects provided essential jobs and stimulated demand for materials, helping prop up certain sectors of the economy through tough times. Interestingly, the Long Depression also saw the rise of labor movements pushing for improved working conditions and societal reforms. Unions gained momentum, culminating in significant events like the Haymarket Affair of 1886. This period was crucial for the labor rights movement. While crisis inevitably spreads misery, it also encourages innovation. The period saw advances in technology, such as improvements in electricity and the telephone. In conclusion, the Long Depression of 1873 to 1896 was a complex period marked by deflation, unemployment, and crucial socio-economic transformations that had lasting impacts. Historical events like the Long Depression offer us valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of economies and societies. Thanks for watching.